Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody! Websites are made with coding.
Hi, everyone. It's me, Cody the Coding Dog. And I'm so excited because you know why they call me the Coding Dog? Because I love coding. And let's learn something about coding right now.
All the websites on the internet are made with coding.
Did you know that all the websites on the internet are made with coding?
Now, wait a minute, hold on here. Are you telling me that all the websites on the whole internet are made with coding?
Hi, Sammy.
Yeah, I code it. So, wait. When I go on the computer, on the internet, and I go to nick.com, that's made by coding?
Yeah.
And pbskids.com is made by coding?
Yeah.
Even disneychannel.com is made by coding?
Every website that's on the computer is made by coding.
Wait, even disneyxd.com is made by coding?
Oh, you know it.
ps305.com is made with coding?
Every website is made by coding.
And even YouTube is made by coding?
It is.
YouTube is made by coding.
People did coding and built YouTube. And now we have YouTube.
That's crazy.
That's just another reason why I love coding.
All the websites on the internet are made with coding.
So how does coding make websites?
Oh, I know someone who really knows how to make websites with coding. My friend, Teddy Kermson.
Teddy Kermson, a real website coder.
His job every day is to do coding to make websites. Let's ask him. Hi, Teddy.
Cody, great to see you.
Teddy, you know how to make websites with coding?
That's my job.
Cool. How do you make websites?
A website is really just a lot of words and pictures.
A website is really just a lot of words and pictures.
In order to put them together on a website, you have to know how to code. So here's a website that grown-ups use sometimes when they want to get someone to fix something that's broken in their house, like a shower. This part's the code.
Ooh, and look at the numbers on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Those are the numbers of the steps. The steps in order.
Now, I want to change the photo that's here. So what I have to do is I have to look for the part of the code that has the photo in it. Oh, here it is. So I'll take this, I'll delete this, and then I'll put my picture in. Hey, would you look at that?
Coding puts the pictures on websites, and you put a picture of me?
Totally, jabroni. Now I just want to add some words.
Now I gotta find the part of my code that has words.
Oh, here it is. So I'll go here, delete that, and put this in. Perfect. Now I'll try that again. Hey, look at that.
Wow! You coded a website for me?
Yeah, you're Cody the Coding Dog. You rock.
That's so nice, Teddy. Thank you.
Oh, make me a website too.
I don't even know you.
I love Teddy Crimson. I don't.
All the websites on the internet are made with coding. Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!